Hi, it's Stuart here from Arlot Media. We're at an event today in Swindon at a Hilton Doubletree Hotel, just on the west junction of Swindon. So we are here exhibiting, and it's been a really successful day. So just thought we'd put this post out here for businesses that are B2B, because it's really easy, like us, to just do digital marketing, getting your name out there on Google Ads, PPC, Facebook, all these platforms that we use now in the digital world, and our websites, SEO, all that kind of stuff, which we do for businesses like yourselves.
Hi, so I'm Ruth from Espresso Professional.
Yeah, so I'm the managing partner of Asset's office in Whitney.
So my job is to go out to local employers in and around Swindon and talk to them about what vacancies they have available.
So Wiltshire Ambulance, we're a charity and a helicopter emergency medical service provider.
Yeah, we're a national and international carrier service.
Yeah, perfect. So we are a collection of hotels.
My name's Sharon Adams and I work for Connectus, and we are part of the Windsor Telecom Group.
Hi, I'm Callum from Pi Credit Management. Everyone needs a credit controller. It's a facility that not a lot of people have, so I make sure I'm that middleman.
Hi, so we are Pi Accountancy Swindon, and we help small to medium businesses through their accountancy journey.
Hi, I'm Amber. I'm Client Success Partner at Niche Recruitment.
Yeah, so Howen Insurance, we're a local insurance broker. We offer personal insurance ranging from car, van, home, all the way to the commercial side of it. So
yeah, well basically the FSP's been going 50 years now. We're a non-profit organisation, and we've got 160,000 members in the UK.
So yeah, I'm a HR consultant. I do HR for companies that don't have the capacity for an in-house HR person.
So it's also really, really good to actually just get to physical events like this, network with other businesses, and actually we've made some really good contacts today, not just from our own perspective of getting clients, but actually finding services that we need and sort of like making really good connections and working together so that you can help each other build your businesses. So yeah, I hope that's helpful. Have a look, see what events that are going on in your local town, and get out there and have a stand and get out and meet people, because it's, as you can see, really busy here, really successful day.